Ever notice a breakout after a weekend of indulging? There's a connection. Gut health can significantly impact your skin. Reason: an imbalance can trigger inflammation, leading to conditions like acne or eczema. Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today, we're diving deeper into the amazing world of your gut health, and how it can seriously impact the health and appearance of your skin. That's right, a happy gut can lead to a glowing complexion, while an unhappy gut can contribute to breakouts, dryness, and even irritation. But don't worry, we're here to unlock the secrets to gut-powered skincare. Did you know? Research suggests that the trillions of bacteria living in your gut microbiome, communicate directly with your skin through a complex network of nerves and hormones. This means an imbalance in your gut bacteria can trigger inflammatory responses in your skin, leading to problems like acne and eczema. A 2021 study published in the Nature Reviews Gastroenterology and Hepatology journal explored the link between gut dysbiosis, imbalance in gut bacteria, and chronic inflammatory skin diseases like psoriasis. The study highlighted the potential of targeting the gut microbiome for improved skin health. This highlights the gut-skin connection. But there are ways to nurture a healthy gut microbiome and support radiant skin. Here are some powerful gut-skin protectors. Probiotic Power. Studies show that probiotics, the good bacteria in your gut, can help reduce inflammation and improve skin barrier function. Think yogurt, kefir, and kimchi, delicious ways to boost your gut's good guys. Fun fact, did you know some fermented foods like kimchi contain millions of times more good bacteria than a single serving of plain yogurt? Fiber Fantastic. Fiber acts like food for your gut bacteria. Aim for fruits, vegetables, and whole grains to keep things moving smoothly and provide fuel for your gut's good guys. Hydration Hero. Water is essential for everything, including your skin. Aim for 8 glasses a day to keep your skin hydrated and glowing. Manage stress. Stress disrupts your gut bacteria balance. Practice relaxation techniques like yoga or meditation to keep your stress levels in check and your gut happy. Consistency is key. By incorporating these gut-friendly habits into your routine, you can support a healthy gut microbiome and unlock a healthier, happier you, both inside and out. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle, including proper sleep, a balanced diet, and sun protection, also plays a crucial role in promoting healthy skin. This is just the beginning of your gut health journey. Stay tuned for more exciting videos where we'll explore other ways to keep your gut happy and healthy.